How to fix your keyboard is not working on your Dell laptop. So if you're trying to press a key and nothing is happening, I'll show you a couple of ways on how to solve this issue. Now, first thing you need to do is open up the Start menu on your computer and then just click on Settings. From the left-hand side, select Accessibility and then scroll down the page and go and click on Keyboard. Now make sure the sticky keys are turned off and disabled like this, and also make sure filter keys are turned off and disabled. You could then close out of this window, open up the Start menu on your computer, search for Device Manager and click on this window. You'll then need to click on the drop-down arrow next to Keyboards, go and locate your keyboard from the list and right-click on it, press Update Driver, and press Browse My Computer for drivers. Now select Let Me Pick from a list of available drivers. Go and select one of the options from the list and select Next. Now once it's installed a new driver, you can check if your keyboard is now working. If you're still having an issue, open up the Start menu again and click on Settings. Click on Bluetooth and Devices from the left-hand side, and then you'll need to scroll down this page and click on Touchpad. Make sure the touchpad is turned on and enabled, and you can try to see if your keyboard is now working. If you're still having an issue, we can go and power cycle the laptop. Now to do this, you need to hold down the power button on your Dell laptop, and you'll need to hold this down for 45 seconds. So even when the screen goes black, continue to hold the power button down. Make sure to wait a full 45 seconds and then you can release the button. You can then hold down the power button for a couple of seconds to turn it back on. Once your laptop's restarted, your keyboard should now be working.